Alright, boys and girls, tonight we have Astros. So we're going to read number 1. Subtracting 9 is the same as subtracting 10 and adding 1. For example, 15 minus 9 can be solved by 15 minus 9, or 15 minus 10 plus 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. Use this strategy to determine the answer to the fact below. So you're going to use the same process to do this one right here. Number 2. Generate a problem situation for the number sentence 8 plus something equals 14 and solve the problem. First, you're going to write out your word story problem, then you're going to solve it. So you could say, I have 8 cats, I get some more cats, now I have 14 cats. How many more cats did Miss Breed have? You can change that to any problem you want as long as you're using 8 plus something equals 14. Number 3. Skip count by 2s to determine the total number of objects in the set. You're just going to write how many at the bottom. Number 4. Identify which two-dimensional shape is described and pictured below. Which shape has 4 straight sides, 4 vertices, all sides equal in length, and a special rectangle. You're going to circle the correct one. Number 5. Which number is composed by the base 10 blocks? You're going to count your base 10 blocks on your ones, and you're going to write the number in standard form. Number 6. The number 74 has been decomposed below. What is another way that the number 74 can be decomposed? You're going to make 74 another way. 7. Which group of blocks below has the same value as 59? Mark your answer. So you're going to count each of these. I want to see a number next to each one of these pictorial forms, and then you're going to mark the one that has 59. Does that mean I just figure out 59 and fill in a bubble?
No.
Do you have to write the number for each one?
Yes.
Number 8. Casey has 22 ones blocks. She wants to place her blocks into 10s and 1s. Which set shows how Casey can compose her blocks? Circle the set that shows your answer. So you're going to see how she can make 22 and circle it. So it's either A, B, C, or D.